guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Revlon hair dryer. It has never been opened. I'm going to open it for the first time and I'm going to take my hair from curly to straight. So I've never done this before. We'll see together how it works out. Comes with a little pamphlet, a little direction right here, but I'm not gonna read any direction right now. I'm just gonna go straight into using the tool. I didn't expect the brush was gonna be so big. It's bigger than my head. It's a huge tool and lightweight, not too bad, but you know. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna section my hair in two to show you the before and after. So we're gonna leave this part curly, and then we're gonna do this part to see the result. So we have an on and off button right here, and it's off, cool, low, and high. I'm putting it on high. nice, to be honest. I've never had a tool. I've never had a blow dryer that flattens my hair like this without even using a flattening iron. Normally, when I use a blow dryer, I have to use a flattening iron immediately. Look at this. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. How is this possible? So this blow dryer, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. I don't want to give it a 10 out of 10 because it has a little bit of frizz. Not a lot, but just a little bit. If I put my hair oil on top of this now, that would be so beautiful. And just look at the difference. This to this. Beautiful. I love my hair texture and I like how shiny it is as well. For a blow dryer, it's nice, silky and shiny. Very pretty, very pretty. And on a whole, I'm a very lazy person to blow dry my hair. And every time I blow dry my hair, it's big like this. With a regular blow dryer, my hair is as big as this when I'm done. Like 2 times the size of this when I'm done blow drying. But to get it this smooth, this silky, it's really, really, really a nice tool. I did invest in a tool like this, if you're wondering. Yes, I'm happy for buying this tool. It's really, really nice. Whenever I'm using an oil, this is what I use. This is a BioSilk Therapy. So I use this in my hair and I'm gonna use a little bit just like this. You see, just like this to rub over it. And comb through it. That's all you need. And then I'm going to smooth it again with the brush just a little bit more. So guys, you can also use some Shea Moisture 100% pure Jamaican castor oil head to toe. So you can use this in your hair as well. They want us to spray it from here. So let's spray it from here. Just glide it through. Let it get even out. And you put it all the way to the ends. Make sure the ends get it, because most of the time the ends is very dry. Have a little bit more. Glide it through the other side as well. Let it even out. Put a little drop for the ends. And this is only with the blow dryer. There's no flattening or anything, which if it gets fizzy later on, I'm definitely gonna flatten. So this is the end result. Whatever products I use today, I'll sure link it in the description. You guys are interested, you can go and pick them up yourself. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my channel. Until next time, like, share, and subscribe.